Great job, Liana. Way to think outside the box. All right, midpoints bisect. Everybody say bisect.
Bisect.
Bisect means cut something directly in half, right? So if I bisect a line segment into two equal parts, that means I must have a midpoint, right? So I'm going to find the length of JK. Here's JK. I'm going to find the length of that. And I want to find the length of KL. KL. Right? Now this one you may right away look at it and see, oh duh, obviously I know that what it is, because what's the length of the whole line segment? 22. So if I'm bisecting this line segment, how long should each of my two mini segments be? 11. So let's keep that 11 in our heads here and see if we can set up an equation to solve this out. Okay? If I take these two mini segments, right? I'm going to do this in orange and whatever, purple, red, something. Thank you. Well, this was 10 minutes ago, but all right. Go ahead, Raymond. Head over real quick. They gave it to me late. It's not my fault. All right, so JK, 2x plus 3. Again, there's different ways we could do this, but I'm going to do it this way. (4x minus 5). If I add those together, what should that be equal to? 22.
Yeah.
Right? So I'm going to add the 4x and the 2x. That gives me 6x. I'm going to add 3 minus 5. That gives me negative 2. Right, what can I do now? Add 2. What's 24 plus 2? Wait.
What?
Oh, yeah. My bad. Yeah, 22 plus 2 is 24. And then what can I do? Divide by 6. And I get x is equal to 4. Ah, you guys said it was 11, but I find out it's 4.
Nope.
No? I just solved it. You guys helped me through it. It's 4, right? So JK is 4?
X equals 4, but that's not like the...
Oh, X is 4. Well, then how can I find what JK is? Plug in the 4. What's 2 times 4? What's A plus 3? Hey, look at that. We were right. So JK is 11, and KL is also 11. Units. Almost forgot.
Wow.
All right. Oh. So if it says that it bisects the line, you know that it's two equal parts. If it doesn't say that it bisects, like I said, even if it looks like they're equal, if it does not give you the information that, hey, these two parts are equal, you cannot assume they are the same. Does that make sense? Does it make sense? Let me show you what I'm trying to say. And then we'll get our test back. I know we want to know. It's been so long. Oops, that's me. Sorry. Right? SR and RQ. Give me a thumbs up if those look congruent to you. SR and RQ. Do they look congruent? Yes, they do. Do we get any information saying that they are congruent? No. In fact, they physically can't, because if I add 16 to x and 17 to x, am I ever going to get the same number? No. So I know they're not congruent, right? If I look at number 11, right? Do ED and DC look congruent?
No. Yeah.
They do look congruent. They look about the same size.
It's adding x to it.
Well, x could be 0.
X could be 0.
What x not?
And it is.
Well, then it's
What I'm trying to say is, it's not going to tell you if they're congruent or not, so you always have to operate as if they are not. Some of them will be. Some of them won't be. Does that make sense?
Sure.